Baking Today, brought to you by the Sola Healthy Lifestyle Kitchen. Lose the sugar, not the taste.
We'll kick your cravings with a healthy take on ice cream sundae that is sure to satisfy the sweet tooth of yours. Welcome Samantha Eaton with a recipe for protein acai.
You got it.
Okay, acai. Acai. Okay,
Yeah.
Here it is. I've heard that term. I used to call it acacia. What is acai berries? What is that?
Yeah, so acai berries are grown in the Amazon, and they look like little blueberries that have the outer skin of a dark purple eggplant, if you can picture that. And these things are mega superfoods. They have actually 0 grams of sugar, so they're not naturally sweet. So if you're looking to avoid sugar, this could be a great use for you. They also have more antioxidants than any other berry out there, which is super important for our bodies because they help protect us against free radical damage. And that supports our cardiovascular system, neurological system, digestive and immune system. So they're a great powerhouse there. They also help with memory, anti-aging, and they even have essential fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and fight against disease.
Sign me
So
up
they're
for these
pretty
berries.
incredible, right?
So what are we going to make today?
Yeah, so today we're going to make an acai bowl. That's pretty much the most common way for people to enjoy these berries lately. At the grocery store, you'll find them in some of these packs right here. They're pretty much in any grocery store these days. You'll see an unsweet and a sweet version. Always go for the unsweet because there has 0 grams of sugar. The sweet ones contain about 22 grams of added sugar. So we're going to add our own natural sugars to it.
All right.
So all the acai bowl really is blended up acai berries mixed with frozen fruit and some superfoods. And it turns into this beautiful, creamy, soft serve-like consistency.
Okay.
Then you get to top it with all kinds of fun sundae-like but breakfast-appropriate toppings.
Okay.
So let's make one, right?
All right, let's make one of these.
Yeah, so I take my little packet right here, and it's really, really frozen solid in there. So to get it out, I run it underwater for a little bit, then I take my meat mallet and I just crush it. Because if it's broken up into these little pieces, it's so much easier on the food processor to get evenly distributed. So we'll add that in there. You can use a food processor or a blender, but I think the food processor does a better job at the even distribution. So for some natural sweetness and for creamy texture, we're gonna add a frozen banana. We'll also add avocado. So this might seem a little gross to add an avocado to it, but I promise you won't taste it. You'll just notice the nice creamy consistency that it has.
Another superfood in there.
Another superfood, exactly. Right. So to get it to all blend together nicely, you need to add a liquid. So I'm just gonna add, coconut milk is great, almond milk. You can do coconut water. This is sunflower seed butter. Any type of nut butter. If you like peanut butter, if you like almond butter, all this is ground up sunflower seeds.
Okay.
So we'll just add that in there for some extra protein and healthy fats.
This is a major protein bowl right here.
It is.
Right?
Yeah, well, to add even more, we'll add this next. This is collagen peptides. Have you heard of this?
I've never heard of collagen peptides.
Collagen peptides.
Collagen skin, right?
Yes, so it has amazing skin benefits, hair, skin, nails. It also has natural protein in there. No flavor to it, no consistency. That hides nicely in smoothies too.
Okay.
Then for a little bonus sweetness, the last thing, if you want to add like honey or syrup, you can, but I like dates. Dates have other, great health benefits to them, but they also have natural sweetness. So all you do from there is just put your top on and blend it up. And we'll move over here. This is what the final product looks like. So you see it's creamy like ice cream.
It looks like ice cream.
Consistency. So now we have all these fun toppings. So you can build your own bowl. Start putting whatever toppings you want on there. It's a lot of fun. So here I have goji berries. Those are nice because they add a nice crunch. Those are awesome.
Which ones are goji
granola.
berries?
These up here.
Okay.
They're kind of like a freeze-dried type consistency. So they add a good crunch to things. Those are cacao nibs.
Who? Okay, all right.
It's cocoa powder. It's cocoa, but it's less processed, so you get more nutrients. We have almonds there.
Let's add all of it in here.
Almonds, yeah, may as well. Chia seeds. The unsweetened shredded coconut is really beautiful. Doesn't it look so pretty when you add that?
That makes it look pretty.
Nice consistency.
Some
kiwi.
Mango. Oh, it's kiwi. All right, some kiwi.
Kiwis are great, and then blueberries. I mean, really, you can't go wrong with your toppings here. It just adds great texture and crunch, in addition to the creamy consistency of the acai bowl.
And it's really cold, too.
Yeah, it's ice cream. It's basically like you're having an ice cream sundae in the morning, but you can have it for dessert or a snack if you want to.
Where can people find you?
Yeah, people can find me on my website, healthyeaton.com. And if you go to healthyeaton.com/Charlotte today, you'll get this exact recipe there as well.
Now,
do you like it? What do you think?
It tastes like ice cream.
Right?
It's like doing like ice cream sundae type of thing. Yeah.
So it can really get that sweet craving under control, but you're also adding so many health benefits.
And I'm not putting that a lot of sugar in my body.
No, exactly.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Samantha.
Sure.
All right. Well, thank you.